Hi guys, this is still day 4. This is part 2. I'm going to call it part 2, just because my recording cut off there. So, let's go back to this question here. Okay, so determine the nature of the root. So you're thinking about the discriminant b squared minus 4ac, and just a wee quick reminder. So, if I was to draw a coordinate axis and I was to draw a parabola, if I drew one that did not cut the x-axis, this means that b squared minus 4ac is less than 0 and there are no real roots. If I drew another coordinate axis and drew a parabola that touched the x-axis, I could write b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0 and the roots are real and equal. And then if I drew another coordinate axis with another parabola, but the parabola touch the x-axis at 2 points, then b squared minus 4ac must be greater than 0 and the roots are real and unequal. Okay, so when it's up here asking you to determine the nature of these roots, is what it's asking you. You have to decide which one it is. Is it the first one, second one, or the third one? And we're going to use b squared minus 4ac to decide if the answer is less than 0. So if it's a negative, then it has no real roots. If it's equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. And if the number is greater than 0, the roots are equal and the roots are equal, real and unequal. Okay, so we've got b squared minus 4ac. The coefficient of your x squared is your a, so your a equals 6. Coefficient of your x is your b, so your b equals negative 3, and your c is the number at the end, so positive 3, and you're just going to substitute that in. So b squared, so it means negative 3 squared, take away 4, multiplied by a, which is 6, multiplied by c, which is 3. Negative 3 squared is 9. 4 multiplied by 6 and then negative 4 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 3 is negative 72. Then if you do 9 take away 72, you get an answer of negative 63. So this answer is negative. So it's going to be this one here. And what you would write is, since b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, there are no real roots. And if you look at the graph, it means it does not cut the x-axis. Okay. And the next one here, evaluate 4.3, add 3.2, multiply by 4, all divided by 3 squared. So again, your BODMAS rules. So we have to do the top line first. And from that top line, we need to do the multiply before we can do the add. So do this part first. So I just took this to the side, and did 3.2 multiplied by 4. 4 times 2 is 8, put your decimal point in. 4 times 3 is 12. So I can rewrite that top line to be 4.3, add 12.8, all divided by, and 3 squared is 9. Again, over to the side, if I do the top line again, so we've got 12.8, add 4.3, make sure your decimal points are lined up underneath each other. 8 add 3 is 11, 1 there, carry your 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, put your decimal point in, so it's 17.1. That's 17.1 divided by 9. if we set up a little bus stop here to do your division, 9 into 1 doesn't go, so you write 0 and you carry your 1 over. 9 into 17 goes 1 time, put your decimal point there, and there's 8 left over, and 9 into 81 goes 9 times. So your answer is 1.9. Okay guys, hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching. Okay, bye now.